Here we have a series circuit. As you see here, these resistors are in series. We need to find out the equivalent resistance, the electric current, V1, V2, P1, and P2. So since we have series circuit, I is constant everywhere. So first of all, let's find out the equivalent resistance, which is going to be R1 plus R2. If this one is R1, this one is R2. 7 plus 3 is going to be 10 ohm. Then I need to find I. I is V divided by RT, which is going to be 20 divided by 10. That's going to be 2 amps. So that's 2 amps in here. So let's find out V1 and V2. V1 is I1 times R1. V2 is I2 R2. I is 2. R1 is 7. 2 times 3, 6, 14. Volt. And when you add them, 14 plus 6 is going to be the same thing, 20 here. It means that the 20 volt, 14 of them is going to be lost in here, so we have only 6, and the other 6 is going to lose here, so we have 0 volt in this side. So 20, 14 is going to of them is lost here, so 6 of them lost here, so we have 0 in here. So finally we need to find out P1 and P2. P is I1 times V1. This one is I2 times V2. I1 is 2. V1 is 14. 2 times 6, 28. 12.